Sese ku 10.2. For 10.2, they say calculate the coordinates of M. The coordinates of M are coordinates of the sensor. Then asinikezwa ngepoint elinye the other point la, the value of B or A. They just want ama coordinates akhona. Singenza kanjani ke ku 5 marks kumele ucabange for indlela engakusiza la. Then indlela engithi sinale equation le. The equation passes through M like this. Sinayo equation yokuqala, then kumele sithole enye equation, then esizokwazi ukuthi si-equate nale noma sithole equation kahle kahle ezokwazi ukuthi indlule la for this point ukuze kube neline ehamba la le equation bese kuba ne-enye, then you can singawa-equate la mase equate sithola i-point of intersection which is i-value of A. Then kumele sitholeke equation eyodwa ake sizoyenza. Ake senze le equation, kumele sithole equation la, then you can equate. Mase calculator sithi siqala nge-gradient angithi this is a straight line, y2 minus y1. Then now substitute our y2 is b, then our y1 is 0, then our x2 is a minus 6. This is the gradient ga rm. Then to find the equation, so t y equal to mx plus c. Then our value of y, so since equation ekumele ilo ipoint elikhona likulana sifunayo nali point naleli, kodwa sithatha leli nama values. Our y is 0 is equal to m, it's b over a minus 6. Then our value of x is 6 plus c. Then the c esimtholayo is like y-intercept. Then kuzo transpose lokho, then kuzoba is equal to negative konke lokho mase kungapha. Then mase 6 multiplied by b, it's 6b over a minus 6. It's like this, the value of c. Then equation say it y is equal to our value m gradient yethu, it's b over a minus 6 x plus c. Then to substitute c, our c is plus negative, then it's negative 6b over a minus 6. Then yeah, it's 6b over a minus 6. Equation le ga rm. Then so equate nale equation ga le line le ngoba ngithi passes through the line le, shuthi leli point singakwazi ulithola mase equate. Then sizothi x minus 1 ilingana nale equation over b over a minus 6, then x minus 6b over a minus 6. Then siyamaza ngithi b wethu, and the value of a for a point of intersection, the value of a of x iyiphi leyo a, substitute a because la intersect khona i value of a ya x kumele ibo a minus 1 is equal to then for b ake simeke kwama kuzoba a plus 1, then a plus 1, then substitute b bese sivele sinayo senze ukuthi wena variable eyodwa a plus 1 over a minus 6, or value of x where they are equal, these equations it will be a because kunale point of intersection, this is value of x, it will be a multiplied by a minus 6b is a plus 1 over a minus 6. Then mase si add a minus 1 is equal to multiply as law over 1, then in your denominator is multiply law terms are 2, lena is multiply law a multiplied by a, it will be a squared times 1 plus a over a minus 6. Then mase siza ngapha minus 6 multiplied by a, it will be 6a, 6 multiplied by 1, it's negative 6 over a minus 6. Then so want to see there is a common take out LCD. A minus 1 is equal to, then LCD lowest common denominator is it's a minus 6. A minus 6, then la way 2 it will be a squared plus a ngokujwayelekile kuyawa-add lawo, then ngoba kuno minus shuthi yeah uzowa subtract la. This is ile sign kahle kahle, then minus 6a minus 6, then a minus 1 is equal to mawuza la so multiply a squared plus a, then negative multiply by 6a, negative 6a negative multiply by negative, it's equal positive 6 all over bani a minus 6. Then yabo sesino a kuphela, sesomthola a minus 1 is equal to a squared. A squared akanayo if ilo like term la ku numerator, then a no minus 6 njengokuthi 1 a oyedwa minus o a aba u6, lo kuzokunikeza u-negative 5a plus 6 over a minus 6. Then sekune equal sign, then so nga cross multiply, equal sign iyakuvumela ukuthi cross multiply, then it will be a multiplied by a squared, a multiplied by negative 6, negative 6 a, negative 1 multiplied by a, negative 1 multiplied by a positive negative 6, it's a positive 6, yeah. Then equals to, sesiqedile ngaleli side sekuyileli times 1 ile kuzoba ilona la a squared minus 5a plus 6. Then sobona ukuthi lo noma this lo a squared mom transpose ngapha izothi a squared minus a squared like 1 minus 1 then u0, ukusho ukuthi kodwa kuvumela ukuthi wakhansela nje engenzela ukuthi just engasiphazamisi masisolve. Then shuthi asinayo le term kahle kahle ayikho le term, then sesinga transpose ke, then 6a because mkhulu simlethe ngapha, or negative 6a qale la minus a, it's negative 7a, maseze ngapha kuzoba positive 7a, that's positive 7a minus 5a, it will be 2a equals to ngapha sinobani sino 6 angithi sele no 6 ngapha is equal to 6 only, then transpose lo 6 ngale minus 6, 2a is equal to 0, this is 0, then our a is 0, then our b, we can go back, we have b, now b is equal to a plus 1, then therefore b is equal to a plus 1, our a is 0 plus 1, then 0 plus 1 then is 1, then the coordinates of m are going to be 0 maps it's 0, then our y value is 1. Then we can check ukuthi ngabe right ngempela yini, ngoba ngithi ne equation, le equation eqiniso bayayazi bona ukuthi ngeke sicheck ngale yethu le, so checka ngeyabo funa ukuthi masifaka ku a wethu la, then our a value we got u0, kumele isikhiphe y value u1 kodwa okay let's siyenzeni, then our value of x is bani is 0 plus 1 isinikeza u1 lo esimthole lana, kushuthi ke ngenzeka ukuthi si right ngoba le equation iyalivuma leli point leli ukulikhipha nje walinjani. This is our solution for 10.1.2. Then I'll do more question. There's a continuation of this question ngizoyenza nayo ke as time goes on. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoy it.